Well, welcome back to Just Drive It. Something that got me today thinking and got my curiosity going. And I figured, why the heck not? I was putting a car together. Didn't cost hardly anything extra. Let's see what it is. What you're looking at is a door latch for a 70's C-body Mopar. Looks pretty decently similar to some other stuff we were looking at. So let's go to the next one. Up next, we have Latch out of a 70 to 74 E-body. When you're looking at them on eBay, there are some things that look very, very similar. So, since I had already bought this, and the other one was like a third of the price of what I paid for this, I thought I'd pick them out and see what was actually the difference. And it's pretty easy to see what the difference is. There's a huge difference. E-body huge. You'd think the C-body would be a bigger latch, but the E-body is. There's other differences on the back that you can see. I'm not going to detail them all out, but I'll give you a little look at it here. There's that. And here's this. So you can see a definite difference, including all kinds of stuff. So, if you ever wanted to know, some people might not have. C-body, E-body. This is going on my CUDA. Be putting it in here soon. Just drive it. So if you like that, please like, subscribe, Rumble. If you're on Rumble, remember, get out there, help your friends, help somebody in need. Be kind to them. We got some merch out. It's going to be over at shop.sh.justdriveit.com. Takes you over to Gunslinger Graphics, and Tony's doing up shirts and stuff like that for us. Thank you for coming along. And remember, just drive it.
Baby, está lista, ponte algo bonito, mamita. Fuma un poquito, tranquila. Vale la pena, el sabor de la noche y el